How to delete your Pinterest account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open the Pinterest app. Once you open the Pinterest app, on the bottom right you'll find your profile icon. Click on that, and on the top left you'll find your account. You have to click on that. Once you click on that, here you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on account management. Once you click on account management, here you'll find an option of delete your data and account, not deactivate, delete. Once you click on that, you have to, if you are ready to leave forever, we'll send you a mail for the final steps. So you have to click on continue here and you have to confirm it, and then it will directly send you a mail, a link on that mail, and the final step for that is you'll get a mail and you have to click on the link, and once you click on it, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's the final step. Don't forget to do that, and if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. You have to click on the continue here.